Look, everybody and their mama knows Toyota means reliability. It's the first thing you think of. But what the dealership ain't telling you is that even Toyota has some skeletons in their closet. Some models with flaws that will drain your bank account dry. Not every car with that Toyota badge is a guaranteed winner. So today we're going to cut through all that hype. I'm putting you on game, showing you the 5 Toyotas that are straight up money pits. But don't worry, I'm also going to reveal the 3 legends that are truly bulletproof. Trust me, you don't want to spend your hard-earned cash on a used Toyota till you hear this. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. First up, the models you might want to pump the brakes on. And we're starting with one that's going to surprise you. Hold on, I know what you're thinking, the Tacoma? Man, that truck is a legend, and you're not wrong. But hear me out. While the Tacoma is still a reliable truck overall, the 2022 and 2023 models started showing some cracks. JD Power gave the 2023 model a great reliability score of 83 out of 100. But some owners have reported annoying issues with the powertrain, glitchy electronics, and even brake problems. It's not a complete deal breaker, but for a truck that's supposed to be invincible, you just gotta be extra careful with these years. Get it checked out by a pro, for real. You heard me right, the Corolla. The king itself has some bad years. We're talking the early 2000s models, and especially the 2009 Corolla, which were known for engine and transmission headaches. The main villain here? These things drank oil like it was going out of style, which could lead to bigger problems. Add in slow startups and a check engine light that won't quit, and you've got a recipe for frustration. That 2009 model in particular has a rap sheet of complaints filed with the NHTSA. I love a good Corolla, but these specific years? Nah man, leave them on the lot. Next up, the Highlander. The early models from 01 to 05 suffered from a nasty engine sludge problem that could kill the whole motor if you weren't on top of it. Then you fast forward to 2009, and that model year was just cursed. We're talking numerous recalls for the gas models, and even more for the hybrids. Owners filed hundreds of complaints about everything from speed control going haywire to the hybrid system just giving up the ghost. For a family ride, that's a whole lot of drama you don't need. Alright, listen close, because this is the one every mechanic in the country will warn you about. The 2007 to 2009 Camry, specifically the ones with that 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, the 2AZFE. This thing has a legendary thirst for oil, and not in a good way. The engine had defective pistons that caused it to burn through oil at an alarming rate, which can lead to engine damage and clogged catalytic converters. Toyota even acknowledged the problem with a warranty extension, but if you're buying one used today, it's a massive red flag. A classic case of a great car ruined by one fatal flaw. And at number 1, the top spot you don't want, the 2009 Toyota Matrix. The Matrix was basically a Corolla wagon, so it should have been solid. But that 09 model, especially with the 2.4 liter engine, is a ticking time bomb. It's notorious for engine failures that can pop up around 100,000 miles. It often starts with burning oil, then the engine rattles kick in, and then silence. With so many horror stories and the risk of such an expensive failure, the 2009 Matrix is the number 1 Toyota you need to run away from. Okay, so we've aired out the dirty laundry. But before we get to the legends, if I just saved you from a 4-wheel nightmare, do me a solid and smash that subscribe button. I got more real talk car advice coming your way. Alright, enough of the bad news. Let's talk about the good stuff. The Titans. The models that are the reason Toyota has its crown in the first place. These are the ones you want. Remember the bad years we just talked about? Well, the Corolla had a major glow up. From 2018 on, this car has been nails. We're talking incredibly reliable, cheap to maintain, and it just sips gas. If you want a dependable, affordable car that gets the job done without any drama, the modern Corolla is where it's at. It earned its reputation back, big time. Next up, the modern king of the crossover game, the RAV4 from 2019 to now. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of SUVs. It does everything, and it does it well. Since its redesign in 2019, the RAV4 has scored high in reliability, even if some minor complaints about things like the interior or brake noise exist. Major mechanical issues are rare. It holds its value like crazy and gives you a safe, efficient, and dependable ride, making it one of the best family vehicles on the used market. And now for the GOAT, the undisputed, undefeated champion of durability, the Toyota Land Cruiser. Any of them from the last 20 years. This ain't just an SUV, man. It's an institution. They famously over-engineer these things to survive the harshest conditions on the planet. A Land Cruiser with over 200,000 miles is just getting warmed up. It has a stellar 8.8 out of 10 reliability rating with minimal owner complaints for a reason. Yeah, they're more expensive to buy and run, but if you want the single most reliable Toyota ever built, a vehicle that will likely outlast anything else on the road, the Land Cruiser is it. So there you have it. Proof that while Toyota's reputation for reliability is well earned, it doesn't apply to every single car they've made. The key is to do your homework. A little research can be the difference between buying a bulletproof legend and a money-draining lemon. And for real, no matter what car you're buying, always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. That's just smart money. Thanks for rolling with me. If this helped you out, be sure to subscribe for more videos that will help you become a smarter car owner.